Hey, thank you for checking out A1 Math. And today I'm coming with part 3 of a 3-part series on multi-step equations. First thing we did was working equations with the variables on both sides. The next thing we did is some equations with the variables on one side, but you had to do some distribution. And in this one, we're doing both put together, where you have the variable on both sides and you have to do distribution. Okay? Let's take a look. So the first thing I want to do is distribute by -5 here. So I'll go ahead and I'll have -5 times x and -5 times 2 here. So I like to do negative times a positive, which would be negative, right, that part, and then 5 times x is 5x. And here, negative times a positive again, it's going to make this negative. And -5 times 2, or 5 times 2 is 10. I'm bringing down my -22 minus 7x. Now, here where you have 4 terms, 2 on each side, people tend to get confused. And what do I do? Where do I start? Well, to be honest, it doesn't matter which term you use and start with. And since it doesn't matter, why not just start with the first term? So I'm going to start with -22. So I'm going to add 22 on both sides. And make sure I add the constant here with the other constant on this side. Okay, so on my right side, I have -7x all by itself is equal to -5x, and -10 plus 22 will be a +12. All right, now I know what I have to do. I'm going to go from these two, this side with 2 terms, and add 5x so I can combine or collect here my like terms. All right, so -7x plus 5x is going to get you a -2x. Okay, and that's going to be equal to 0 plus 12 here. Okay, in my last step, I'm going to go ahead and divide by -2. Okay, and that'll cancel out. And that's going to leave x is equal to a -6. Okay, and that concludes the 3 parts here. But I want to go ahead and give you a couple more practice problems. So one would be number 8. Which would be a negative times -p minus 6 is equal to 36 minus 5. And number 9, -32 minus 2x is equal to -7x minus 42. Oops, hang on, fix that. 7 times -x minus 6. There we go. Okay, and there's a couple of practice problems there. Now, number 8, notice how you have this minus without a number here, but you want to consider that an understood 1 here, and distribute a -1 to both of these terms inside the parentheses. Okay, and here's the answers for those. And again, I want to thank you for checking out A1 Math, and have a nice day.